A Coolaroo shade sail is an inexpensive and easy way to transform your outdoor space and provide protection from the harsh Australian climate. In this video, we'll show you some simple steps to install your Coolaroo shade sail. Firstly, measure your outdoor area to help you choose the right size. Choose the parts you'll need for the installation, including turnbuckles, strap tensioners, pad eyes and D-rings. Lay out the shade sail and mark out the positions of your posts. Install posts beforehand and ensure that they are sound before attaching the shade sail. Posts should slope away from the centre of the sail at an angle of 10 degrees for steel and 20 degrees for timber. It's a good idea to attach a pad eye before you install the post. Next, mark out the remaining fixing points and attach pad eyes securely. Then, connect each corner of the sail to a fixing point using a turnbuckle. If necessary, use strap tensioners to pull the shade sail taut. Tighten up the shade sail by turning the turnbuckles. Now relax and enjoy your shaded outdoor area.